If you cook a lot at home or make homemade dog food or treats like I do, you know how much time chopping and grinding can take. I had just a little tiny food processor and it just wasn't doing the trick. But I didn't want a huge one, so I got this one from Amazon. So I'm testing this compact food processor to see how it performs in real life. I'm using this to grind chicken and chopped vegetables, which are two tasks I do regularly when I'm making my dog's homemade food topper. This model comes with 2 bowls, which is helpful because then I can keep raw meat separate from vegetables. Setup is straightforward. Just attach the blade, lock the lid, and it's ready to go. I'm starting with chicken. Using the lower speed first helps control the texture, and then a quick pulse on higher speed finishes the grind. The meat comes out evenly ground, which is what you want for recipes or homemade pet food. Next, I'm chopping the vegetables. A few short pulses usually work better than running it continuously because it keeps the pieces more uniform. Cleanup is simple since the bowl and blade come apart easily. For everyday meal prep, this makes a huge difference. Overall, a compact food processor like this can save a lot of prep time, especially for chopping and grinding smaller batches. I really like this food processor and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.